Okay, sets. So visible. Okay, so well defined, you are saying, or well distinguished, and whatever, you know all these things. So, and we said that there are two ways to represent a set. One is a roster form, and another is a set builder form. A set builder form is sometimes also called the rule based, okay, because it specifies the rule, and roster will tell us exactly what elements are inside, okay. And we have the set should be well distinguished. It should not be ambiguous. We should be able to get the elements exactly. Say for example, if I'm saying in the class, for example, in a class we have a students, and we're saying it's a set of good students. The set of, so this is not a good definition, because who are good students tomorrow? We want to find out who are good students. It is not. It's ambiguous. It will not tell me exactly what elements are in it, because the good, it doesn't have some grades. You don't have points in it. Somebody is a good, somebody is a bad, and somebody how much some is good. Sometimes the bad turns to the good and all. But if I say set of natural numbers, I got exactly, if I want to convert that into the roster form, I will get exactly that this is the elements are 1, 2, 3 starting and so on, right, within the braces. This is a roster form which tells exactly which elements are in it. And set builder form, we are saying like x such that x belongs to n. That means they are natural numbers. X is x belongs to n. So belongs to means if it belongs to that set of natural numbers or not. So this is what is called as a set builder form, right? And this is a roster form. So let's do some questions on it. We had yesterday a question. We did that question last time. That was if we have a question like this. A is equal to x is to x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to get the this is the set builder form, right? And we have to convert, we have to see which elements are in it, exactly which elements it belong in it. And basic thing here is the quadratic equation which we have to solve. That is, I am having here x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? I have to solve it. How I will solve it? By splitting the midterm. We did it already. We have split the midterm. That's minus 3x. And how we split it? That I will split it into the 2, right? And say for example alpha and beta, the multiplication of these two, alpha and beta, should be equal to the multiplication of these two. What is coefficient here? 1. 1. Tomorrow we can have another question where the coefficient is 5, 6. That into this 2. What is the constant here? Constant versus the coefficient of the first term. The multiplying that, it should be their multiplication should be equal to the multiplication of these two, and their addition should be equal to this thing, midterm. This is how we do it, right? So how will we break this 3x now?
X square minus 2x minus x plus 2.
So you are saying x square is x square, okay? Yes, what?
Minus 2x minus x plus 2
is equal to 0. Okay, right? So now what we will do is here
x into
x will come common, right?
Yes,
What will remain in x minus 2? Okay?
yes,
What about this?
minus
Because yes, we have done it like this. We could have done it like another way. We can do this way also. Okay? Because here we will have only one will be common here. If we do it like this also, we are last time. What will be common? Negative 1.
x minus 2.
This will be x minus is plus 2. So what will come? X minus 1
x minus 2
x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? Now when will this because this is a product here, right? This is a product here. When will this come to be equal to 0? If x is equal to negative 1. If x is negative 1 or positive 1, positive 1,
Positive 1.
positive 1 and negative 1, that will be equal to 0. 0 multiple whatever it is, that will be 0. So if we put x as positive 1, the overall this thing overall come to be equal to 0, right? Or if we put here x equal to positive 2, then this term will be 0, 0 into whatever will be 0. So what will be the roster form of it? Positive 1 and positive 2. So only in these two circumstances this equation will tend to 0, will be equal to 0, not tend, right? Getting me? So let us do then the another question. You have to write it. Just from the unsolved here. It's the same question, little bit. X such that 2x square plus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Write this question. Okay. Now we have to split the midterm, right? So we say solution, we take this thing 2x square plus 5x minus 3. Shall we take that? So how you will see how to split this midterm? You will split in such a manner that the two which are you break in, the multiple sum should be equal to 5x and multiple should be equal to negative 6. Minus 3 into 2. Negative 3 into 2 is negative 6. So multiplication should be equal to negative 6 and sum should be equal to 5x of the coefficients. So this will be 2x square. Hamara jo hai, what will break it into?
Minus 6 plus 6x minus 1x.
Exactly. If I say here minus x plus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0, because here 6x minus x is equal to 5x. 6 into 1, negative 1, is equal to negative 6, right? Because हमारा यहाँ पे जो है this is 2 and this is 3. 2 cross minus 3 is negative 6. तो यहाँ multiplication जो इनका आना चाहिए आपस में, ठीक है, that should be equal to negative 6. So वो आ रहा है ना, minus 1 and plus 6. Very simple it is. So what will be common here? Definitely x will be common in this and this, and यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा हमारे पास 2x minus 1. इसमें क्या निकल सकता है कॉमन? 3 plus 3, बिकॉज कॉमन निकालना जो दोनों में कॉमन होगा, 6x में भी और इसमें भी, इसमें और इसमें 3 निकल सकता है, x नहीं निकलेगा क्योंकि इसके पास x नहीं है 3 के पास. So what will be inside? 3 into 2, that's 2x minus 1 is equal to, so what will be there? X plus 3 and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what can be the x's value so that this will be equal to 0? Left hand side,
X is called 3.
negative 3. If x हम रख सकते हैं negative 3 है ना, अगर हम इसको negative 3 रखेंगे, negative 3 plus positive 3 0 आ जाएगा. 0 into whatever this is 0. या दूसरा आप बताओ, अगर इस या तो यानी कि इसका रोस्टर फॉर्म में आ गया, या तो हम लिखेंगे c इज इक्वल, या तो हमें negative 3 आना चाहिए है ना, वरना इसमें क्या आना चाहिए ताकि ये 0 निकले?
2x equal 1. Positive 1.
पॉजिटिव 1.
2x equal to 1.
अगर x हम 1 रखेंगे, 2 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. It will be 1, it will not be 0.
0 1 is 0 1 1 0.
It's very simple.
2x equal to 1.
क्या 2x is equal to 1?
1 is x is equal to 1 by 2.
1 over 2.
हमें x का वैल्यू लगाना है कुछ,
Yes, sir, x is equal to 1.
ताकि ये जो ओवरऑल है 0 बने. x अगर आप कितना लगाओगे? 1/2. x आप 1/2, क्योंकि हमारे पास है 2x minus 1. अगर हम x लगाएंगे 1/2, this is 2 minus 1, so 2 into 2 cross, this is 1 minus 1, that will be, so this will be 1/2.
It's a minus 3 1 over 5.
Minus 3, that will be the roster form of this. Getting? बता रहे हो ये? This is very simple. We will have some another question here. Yeah, it is said C is equal to x such that x is equal to n minus 1 slash n plus 1 comma n belongs to n. That means n belongs to natural numbers. So if sorry, it's also, this is a start, that n belongs to n, right? This n belongs to n, capital N means natural numbers. This gives you the start. अगर आपको comma के बाद नहीं दिया है, that means it is infinite, because natural number will not stop. But he is saying n is less than or equal to something. If say less than 5, he is saying that means up to 4. So what values will n take? 1 2 3 and 4. So we have to substitute 1 in the equation, in this thing, and calculate what is x, because we have a formula now. X is equal to n minus 1 slash n plus 1. So when n could be 1 2 3 and 4, just give me quickly what will be the C in the roster form.
1 by 3, 1 by 2.
0 1 over 3,
1 by 2,
1 over 2,
3 and 5.
3 over 5. Good, it's perfect. So now this time to reverse from roster to set builder. If we have a question like A is equal to this is 1 comma 8 comma 27 comma 64. Now we have to calculate, we have to see what is the set builder form of it. What do you think it is?
Cube.
Yes, it's a cube. So we can say it is an x cube, right? Or I should say x is equal to n cube. X is equal to n, whatever the what will be the n's value now, because n will start from 1.
Yes, sir.
So we'll say n belongs to n, natural numbers, that means starts from 1, and it will be less than how much?
5.
5 or 4?
5, sir.
Because 1 ka cube, 2 ka cube,
3 by 2, 4 by 2.
it is 2 ka cube, 3 ka cube and 4 ka cube. So why you say 5?
Up to 4, sir.
Up to 4, yes. You are saying less than 5. Yes, right. You're right. N is less than or equal to 4. or we can say less than 5. What you were saying, if you say less than 5, that's also true. Good. So let's go to the second part. This was the first. B is equal to 1 over 2 comma 2 over 3 comma 3 over 4 comma 4 over 5. Now convert this into the set builder form. बिकॉज जो आपका टॉप है उससे नीचे वाला एक बड़ा है ना?
Yes, sir. N minus 1 by n plus 1.
देखो ऊपर वाला तो आपको ठीक है ना, आप ऊपर वाले से शुरू करो. लिसन, दिस गोज लाइक 1 2 3 एंड 4. सो ये सीधे 1 से 4 तक है. सो इफ आई टेक दिस एज ए n, ओके, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 टू 4. What will be divided by? N plus 1. So this will be x is equal to n divided by n plus 1. Right? क्योंकि नीचे वाला एक बड़ा है और हमें बताना पड़ेगा कि कामा कहाँ से शुरू है. n belongs to n. It belongs to the, यानी कि a 1 से शुरू होता है and n is it? Very simple. Now we have another question here, third part. C is equal to 6, 13, 20, 27 and it doesn't stop. This is the ellipsis, 3 dots. That means it goes to up to infinity. So think about this question.
Addition of 7.
Huh?
7 added. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 7, 27.
Exactly. So how you write it?
And
I will say
N
C
plus
is equal to x such that x is equal to
7. N plus
n plus 7.
7.
Okay. What is n?
Belongs to
N is
no, natural
6 from 6.
So if you say n is equal to firstly 1, 1 plus 7 is how much? 8.
8.
So is that right? Okay, if you start from 6, right? If you start from 6, then
6 plus
6 plus 7 is 13. What about next number? That will be 7. 6 after 6 becomes 7. How can we jump up to 13? Because we have to give a sequence, na? If we say like it's 7 cross 1 is 7, right? 7 cross 2 is 14. 7 cross 3 is
20.
21. 7 cross 4 is,
28.
and I am getting
Minus
6, 13, 20 and 27. These are my thing, okay? So it is actually 7 cross
minus 1.
these guys, which starts from 1 to 4. I got a sequence. They are multiplied from by the 7 starting from 1 to 4, right? Minus 1. So shouldn't we write is x is equal to 7 times n minus 1? Is it? Comma n belongs to n, yes, or yeah, n belongs to n, यानी कि it starts from 1. कहाँ तक?
4.
No, it's a continue. यहाँ मैंने 4 तक दिखाया लेकिन असल में कहाँ है? So we have to say n belongs to n only. It carries on at itself. Because when you say capital N, that natural number starts from 1 up to infinity. You getting? Let's get something from the unsolved here. fourth part. Now if we have a question like this, A is equal to 2, 5 and 7. What is about this? These are simply prime numbers, isn't it? So what do I write? A is equal to x such that x is a prime number, comma x belongs to n, comma x is less than equal to, I could say 10 or 7. Should be because I cannot say here 7 less than equal to 7. I can say less than equal to sign, right? Because equal to 0. If I have to say less than, I cannot say 8 because 8 is not a prime. I can't say 9, 9 is not a prime. I have to say 10 then. Is 10 prime? Then 11.
11, 13, 17.
I have to say less than 11 then. If I say less than or equal to, I can say less than equal to 7. Right?
11 should be is a prime number.
Yes. X is a prime number, comma x belongs to n. That means it starts from it is a natural number which starts from 1 and it will see itself कि पहला prime number तो 2 ही होता है ना, और कहाँ तक 7 तक. अच्छा, एक और सवाल यहाँ है, c is equal to -7, comma 7. दो इसमें आ रहे हैं, -7 या 7. एक ऐसा ही सवाल हमने किया था शायद. या तो -7 आएगा या तो +7 आएगा. -7 और +7 दोनों सूत्र तभी आता है जब स्क्वायर में होगा. बिकॉज अगर हम -7 का स्क्वायर करेंगे दैट इज़ 49, राइट. अगर हम +7 का स्क्वायर करेंगे दैट इज़ 49. तो -7 का वो भी इसको करता है, पॉजिटिव भी इसको करता है. सो कैन आई राइट इट लाइक दिस, c इज इक्वल टू x सच दैट x is equal to whatever n minus 49, or I can say n square minus 49 is equal to 0, because in square this is square. If I do this, I'm saying minus 7 square is equal to 49. I can say -7 का square minus 49 is equal to 0, right? Or if I say the 7 square is equal to 49, I can say 7 square minus 49 is equal to 0, because 7 का square is 49, negative का 7 is 49 minus 49 is equal to 0. So here, if I can substitute anything which is comes to be, when this will come to be 0, listen it. When this will come to be 0, when this n becomes 49, because 49 minus 49 is 0. When this will become 49, when it's a 7 ka square, right? So this x n square minus 49 is equal to 0. You get it? I think enough for this. We also said that we have a singleton set. The set is called a singleton when we have only one element in it, like even prime number. So what will be the set Boolder form of this? X such that X is an even prime number. Simply we say X such that X is an even prime number, and that's it. Even prime number पता ही है 2 है. This is called singleton set. It has only one element in it. Right? What is a null set? Null set means it has nothing inside. Shown by OI. Right? And we say finite set also. What is a finite set? Which has a finite numbers. Like we are saying something like a set of vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now it's a finite set. Right? What is infinite set? Infinite set. Infinite set doesn't have a limit. Like I'm saying 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. That's a set of natural numbers. It's infinite set. Okay? What is the power set? Firstly, what is a subset? Subset are two, as told you, proper and improper, right? What? Yes, subset means which is inside that, but proper means at least जो है आपका एक एलिमेंट कम होगा सुपर सेट से. अगर आपका सेट A है 1, 2, 3 और मेरा B एक सेट है उसमें भी 1, 2, 3 है, ये भी सबसेट. मैं कह सकता हूँ A इज ए सबसेट ऑफ B, नो प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन ये प्रॉपर नहीं है, इम्प्रॉपर है, क्योंकि इसमें कम से कम एक एलिमेंट छोटा होना चाहिए इससे, ताकि हम बताएंगे कि प्रॉपरली है इससे. ठीक है? जैसे मेरे पास C है, उसमें 1 and 3 है. दिस A इज A बिकॉज इसको लिखना पड़ता है इक्वल टू B. A इज ए सबसेट ऑफ B. अगर प्रॉपर सबसेट है उसको हम लिख सकते हैं ऐसे, ए सबसेट ऑफ C. ठीक है? क्योंकि ये सबसेट नहीं है, सबसेट हो गया ये दिस इज द प्रॉपर सबसेट, लेकिन इम्प्रॉपर को लगाना पड़ता है इक्वल टू B साथ, बिकॉज दिस इज इक्वल टू ना. राइट? अच्छा, और क्या पढ़ा था हमने? शादाब. और कौन से पढ़े थे? एम्प्टी तो भी पढ़ा ना मैंने. नल. हाँ, equal set. Yes, equal set. What is an equal set? Equal set is like A and B here, just same elements. दूसरा equivalent set है. Equivalent set. Equal set में तो सेम एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. जैसे हमारे पास है 1 and 3 इसमें, और दूसरा सेट उसमें भी 1 and 3 है. ये बिल्कुल सेम है, एलिमेंट सेम है. दैट्स इक्वल सेट. व्हाट अबाउट इक्विवेलेंट सेट? इक्विवेलेंट में नंबर शुड बी सेम. लाइक वी हैव 1, 2, 4 हियर एंड वी आर हैविंग अनदर सेट, उसमें 5, 6 and 8 है. क्या ये दो सेट्स इक्वल है? 5, 6, 8 1, 2, 4? नो, they are not equal, but they are equivalent because number of elements here is 3, number of elements here is 3, so that is the equal number of elements. Right? Power set. Power set is a, this is my power set, huh? It's a set itself, so brace set of all subsets. अगर मेरे पास है elements 1, 2 and 3, what is power set? First will be the OI, which is nothing. Then we start from 1, that's 1. Okay? 2, 3, right? Then 1 and 2. 1, 3. 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3 भी आ जाएगा. This will be 8. because we have 3 elements. If we have 3 elements, the total number of sets in power set is 2 raised power n, that's 2 raised power 3, that is 8. N is here 3, right? So if we say what is how many how many sets, how many elements, because this now are the elements, this is the elements of the power set. Now how many elements will be in a power set depends on how many number of elements are in a set. If in a set we have 3 number of elements, the power set will be 2 raised power 3, that is how much, 8 elements, right? If we have only 2 elements, for example, हमारे पास एक सेट है A is equal to 1 and 2, right? What will be the power set of this? How many elements will be in the power set? That is 4. 2 raised power number of elements, that's 2 raised power 2, that is 4. So power set here will be, what is power set?
1, 2, 1, 2.
And that's it. This is my power set. Power set जो आपका है, ये आपका पावर सेट है. ये जो अंदर है ये एलिमेंट्स हैं इसके, ठीक है. पावर सेट का अपना ब्रेस बार होता है. यू गेटिंग इट? ओके. अगर हमारे पास अब सबसेट्स एंड वी शो द वेन डायग्राम, and we have to show the Venn diagram. Like I am saying A is a subset of B and we have to show it in the diagram. हमारे पास एक A element है 1 2 3 4 और B set है, इसके पास है 2 and 4 for example, and okay 2 and 4, right? This is subset. We have to first show the universal set. This is our universal set. Universal set means something जिसमें से आप सारे सेट लोगे, जो आपके प्रॉब्लम में सेट्स होंगे वो सब यूनिवर्सल सेट में आते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल्सो शोन, यूनिवर्सल सेट की सिंबल कुछ ऐसे हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ सेट और यूनिवर्सल सेट. या ओके. देन if this is A, we have to show by the, this is for example A, and the B is a proper subset. Is it? B is a proper subset, so it will go inside. B will be inside the A. This is my B, this is my, let me make it a little bigger. This is your A, which we have taken from the universal set, right? And this is my B. Okay, this is A, and we have elements inside. What is the common thing in it? 2 and 4. जो B में 2 and 4 है वो तो A में ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, और बचा क्या वहाँ पे 1 and 3. 1. So what is the subset? If we have to show in a diagram that B is a subset of, is it? So we have to shade that portion. That will come 2 and 4. That will be the part of the B. This part. Is it? Because B is a subset of A. You getting me what I am saying? अब अगर दोनों ये होंगे सेम ही होंगे, अगर इम्प्रॉपर होगा, यानी कि अगर A मेरे पास है, लाइक हियर आई विल से, अगर A मेरे पास है 1 2 3 और B मेरे पास है 1 2 3, ठीक है, जो A है वही B है. क्या मुझे बताओगे व्हाट विल बी A सबसेट B, व्हाट विल दैट इक्वल टू? दैट विल बी द A, isn't it? क्योंकि वो तो A ही होगा या B ही होगा, तो शेड सब की होगी ना, क्योंकि वहाँ पे B अंदर नहीं आएगा, पूरा ही आएगा. तो एक ही सर्कल वही A होगा, वही B है. इस सूरत में जो आपका ये है, यही A आपका है, यही B आपका है, एंड यू हैव टू शेड दिस पोर्शन. This will be the A subset B. Does it make sense? समझ आ रहा है? Okay. Similarly, we have a union. A union B. Union, you know, huh? Without repeating, add the two elements of the sets A and B and get the answer. And if you have to draw a Venn diagram out of it, for example, we have A is equal to 1 2 3 and B मेरे पास मान लीजिए है उसमें कुछ कॉमन भी है, जैसे 3 कॉमन है लेकिन उसके अपने एलिमेंट्स हैं 5 and 6. ओके, लेकिन दोनों सेट्स किस में लेंगे हम? इन द यूनिवर्सल सेट. ओके, अब सिचुएशन कुछ ऐसी है कि आपका ये ए है, ठीक है, और ये रहा आपका बी, लेकिन इनका ओवरलैप कम ही है, ये इसका सबसेट नहीं है. क्या इज बी सबसेट ऑफ ए? नो, बी इज नॉट अ सबसेट ऑफ ए बिकॉज बी हैज द एलिमेंट्स लाइक 5 and 6 which are not in ए. सीधी बात है ना. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा इनको कॉमन है, जैसे 3 कॉमन है इनको, है ना. सो 3 कॉमन है इनको, 3 हम लिख लेते हैं बीच में, जो कॉमन है 3 कॉमन है, ठीक है. और बाकी क्या बचा यहाँ पे? 1 and 2, इसमें क्या है? 5 and 6. ओके, और बाकी जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो यूनिवर्सल सेट में है. अब मुझे ये बताओ आप कि ए यूनियन बी किसको निकलेगा? दिस इज माई ए, दिस इज माई बी. व्हाट विल बी ए यूनियन बी? ए यूनियन बी विल बी एवरीथिंग, राइट? क्योंकि 3 हमने रिपीट नहीं किया, 3 हमने एक ही बार लिखा जो कि इसमें था. समझ आ रही है? दिस विल बी ए यूनियन बी, राइट? दिस इज ए यूनियन बी, जो शेड हमने किया. If you have a pen, you can do like this. If you have a pen for a shading, you can do like this. Shade everything. This is A union B. Now tell me if A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, ये उतारना तो मत था, हो गया. Okay, if A is a subset of B, A is a subset of B, what will be A union B? Because A is a subset of B, who is a superset? B. So and I'm saying it's a proper subset, ना. So even अगर ये सबसेट होता, इक्वल भी होता, तब भी हमारा A यूनियन भी B आएगा ना. ठीक है, ये आपका यूनिवर्सल सेट है. अब सिचुएशन कुछ ऐसी है कि आपका जो सेट्स हैं, ओके, ये A आपका है लेकिन B, ये B आपका है और A इसके अंदर बैठा है ना. So what will be the subset? Union B. Is it? You get it? I think should we go more or we stop today? I think let's stop it today. That's all. End of today's segment, and we'll carry on this thing.